Alright guys, it's J-Dub, Janis Wilson-Hughes, and I have a pop quiz for you. What song was that? Anybody got any ideas? Sorry, my dog's chewing a bone like right in front of the camera. If you're hearing like some weird chomping noises. Anyway, been playing guitar a lot the last few days with this whole social distancing thing. I listen to a lot of pop music, a lot of dance music. So, probably a lot of my guitar friends will be at a disadvantage on the pop quiz because you probably don't listen to that kind of music. But hey, my other friends, you're in luck. So, this is a top 40 pop kind of song. It is by a female vocalist. The original song does not actually have any guitar in it. So this guitar riff is like inspired by that song. The singer is a judge on a reality TV singing competition show, so that should narrow it down some. And the video has an Android in it. So, tell me, anybody got any ideas? What's that song? There's your pop quiz. Alright, come at me, tell me in the comments. Anybody got it? See you guys later. Pop quiz, what's that song?